Welcome to MSA YouTube channel. I'm teacher Emmy and I'll be teaching multiplication property of equality. But before anything else, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get updated with our latest videos. Today you will learn how to solve equations using multiplication property of equality. So let's get started. Multiplication property of equality states that each side of an equation can be multiplied by the same non-zero number without changing the solution of the equation. If A, B, and C are real numbers and C is not equal to 0, then A is equal to B and AC is equal to BC. That only means that if we have A is equal to B and you multiply a certain number to A, then that certain number should also be multiplied to B so that the solution of the equation will not change. Alright, let's illustrate that. Solve equations of the form AX is equal to B. Example, we have 2x is equal to 10. So obviously, the value of our x here is equal to 5 because 2 times 5 is equal to 10. But now, I will apply multiplication property of equality to solve this equation. And let's find out if I will get 5 as the value of x. Alright, you only have few steps to remember. First is to multiply each side of the equation by the reciprocal of the coefficient of x. So in our given equation, 2x is equal to 10. So the coefficient of x here is 2. And we need to get the reciprocal of 2, and that is 1/2. So that means we need to multiply 1/2 on both sides of the equation. So we have here 1/2 times 2x is equal to 10 times 1/2. Alright, and the next step is to simplify. So one thing to remember, if you multiply a number by its reciprocal, the answer is always equal to 1. Let's say, for example, 2 multiply by its reciprocal, which is 1/2, so it will give you 1. Alright, so 1/2 times 2x is 1x, or simply x, and then 10 times 1/2, we can cancel 10 and 2, so that will become 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. So value of x here is 5. Alright, let's have another example. Let's say we have 2/3 of x is equal to 14. So again, multiply each side of the equation by the reciprocal of the coefficient of x. So as you can see, the coefficient of x here is 2/3, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 3/2. Alright, and let's simplify. So 3/2 times 2/3, that will give us 1. So we have here 1x, and then 14 times 3/2, we can cancel 14 and 2. So 14 will become 7, and 7 times 3 will become 21. So the value of x here is 21. Alright, let's have another example. Alright, 4x plus 8x is equal to 144. So as you can see, the given equation is not in the form ax is equal to b. Alright, so first thing to do is to combine similar terms. So what are similar terms? 4x and 8x are similar terms because they are having same variable. Alright, so 4x plus 8x, it will give us 12x equals to 144. So we now have equations in the form ax is equal to b. Then we need to apply multiplication property of equality. So we have 12 as the coefficient of x, and the reciprocal of 12 is 1 over 12. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 12 and simplify. Alright, so 1 over 12 times 12x, that will give us x, and 144 times 1 over 12, that will give us 12. So the solution for this equation is equal to 12. Alright, so there you have it. You have 2 steps to remember when applying the multiplication property of equality. So let's try the following items. Alright, you can use your scratch paper to solve this. And if you have questions, clarifications, or any topics that you want us to discuss in our future videos, kindly comment down below. And for more worksheets about multiplication property of equality, you can just check the link below and download the worksheet for free. Alright, so I think you're done with the first item. We have 3x is equal to 39. So again, the coefficient of x here is 3, and the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 3. So we will get x is equal to 13. Alright? So I hope you got it correctly. Let's have item number 2. We have 7y is equal to negative 42. So the coefficient of y here is 7, and the reciprocal of 7 is 1 over 7. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 7. So we have y is equal to negative 6 because negative 42 times 1 over 7, it will give us negative 6. Alright, so the answer is negative 6. Let's have the third item. 4a plus 5a is equal to 27. Oh, so we have similar terms. We need to combine first similar terms before we apply the multiplication property of equality. So 4a plus 5a, it will give us 9a. And we need to get the reciprocal of 9, and that is 1 over 9. Multiplying it on both sides of the equation, it will give us a is equal to 3. Alright, because 27 times 1 over 9, it will give us 3. So the final answer is 3. Let's have the fourth item. 8m minus 2m is equal to 24. So we have similar terms again. We need to combine it first. So we have 8m minus 2m. It will give us 6m is equal to 24. So the reciprocal of 6 is 1 over 6. You need to multiply it on each side of the equation. So it will give us m is equal to 4. Alright, so the final answer is 4. Next, we have item number 5. 3 over 5x is equal to 12. So the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. So just multiply it on both sides of the equation and simplify. So we have 5/3 times 3 over 5x, it will give us x. And 12 times 5 over 3, it will give us 20. Alright, so the final answer for item number 5 is 20. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you solve equations using multiplication property of equality. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get updated with our latest videos. Bye!